Good evening. Welcome to my home. I'm your host, Sarah. What's your name?
Hi, Sarah. I'm Jake. Nice to meet you.
Great to meet you too, Jake. How's your day been so far?
It's been good, thanks. I visited the park and read a book.
That sounds lovely. What kind of book do you like to read?
I like adventure stories. They're exciting.
That's wonderful. I enjoy those too. So, Jake, where are you from?
I'm from a small town in Texas. What about you?
I'm from New York City. It's a bustling place. Have you ever been to New York?
No, not yet, but I hope to visit one day. What's it like?
Well, it's a big city with tall buildings and lots of people. There are many famous places like Times Square and Central Park.
That sounds amazing. I'd love to see those places.
You should definitely plan a trip. So, Jake, do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like playing guitar and cooking. How about you?
I enjoy hiking and painting. Cooking is a great hobby. What's your favorite dish to cook?
I like making spaghetti. It's simple and delicious.
Spaghetti is a classic. Do you have a special recipe?
Just a basic one with tomato sauce, garlic, and some herbs. What about you? Any favorite dish you like to cook?
I like making vegetable stir-fry. It's quick and healthy. I use a mix of colorful veggies.
That sounds tasty. I'll have to try making that sometime.
Definitely. So, Jake, do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Max. He's a friendly golden retriever.
Dogs are wonderful companions. I have a cat named Whiskers. They're quite different from dogs but equally lovable.
I agree. Pets bring so much joy to our lives.
Absolutely. Speaking of joy, do you have a favorite movie that always makes you happy?
I love animated movies, especially ones with talking animals. They're so entertaining.
Those are heartwarming. I enjoy them too. Any particular animated movie you like the most?
Finding Nemo is my all-time favorite. The story is touching and the characters are funny.
Finding Nemo is a classic. The ocean adventure is captivating. Jake, do you have any favorite music?
I like country music. The melodies are soothing and the lyrics tell interesting stories.
Country music has a way of connecting with emotions. Any favorite country singer or band?
I really like listening to Taylor Swift. She's not just country, but her music is amazing.
Taylor Swift has a wide range of music styles. Great choice. So, Jake, do you enjoy sports?
Yes, I like playing basketball with friends. It's a fun way to stay active.
Basketball is a great sport. I enjoy watching soccer. Do you follow any basketball team?
I like the Dallas Mavericks. They have some talented players.
The Mavericks have had some exciting games. It's always fun to cheer for your favorite team. What other activities do you enjoy?
I like going for walks in nature and taking photos. It helps me relax.
Nature walks are rejuvenating. Photography is a wonderful way to capture those moments. Do you have a favorite photo you've taken?
I have a beautiful sunset photo from a camping trip. The colors are amazing.
Sunsets are magical. It's great that you capture those moments. Jake, do you have any travel plans for the future?
I'd love to travel more and explore different places. Maybe visit some national parks.
National parks are fantastic destinations. The beauty of nature is breathtaking. Is there a specific park you have in mind?
I've heard Yellowstone National Park is amazing. The geysers and wildlife there must be fascinating.
Yellowstone is a great choice. The geothermal features and wildlife make it unique. I hope you get to visit soon. Anything else on your travel wish list?
I'd like to visit Europe someday. There's so much history and culture to explore.
Europe has a rich history indeed. Each country has its own charm. Any particular European destination you're interested in?
I'd love to visit Italy. The art, architecture, and of course, the delicious food.
Italy is a beautiful choice. The art and history there are truly captivating. Jake, it's been wonderful getting to know you.
Likewise, Sarah. Thanks for having me. This living room is really cozy.
You're welcome anytime, Jake. Maybe we can plan a movie night or a cooking session together.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I'd love that.
Great. Until then, take care and have a fantastic day.
You too, Sarah. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Jake.